So today we're going to be giving a southern twist to a classic cheeseburger. We're going to make a Chipotle cheeseburger with sweet potato fries and limey slaw. A great recipe with a little bit of that spiciness, lots of colors and lots of decadence. I can't wait to eat it. Let's get cooking.
Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Then slice the sweet potatoes, you can keep the skins on, and slice them into fries. Add them to a large baking tray with a drizzle of vegetable oil and a generous pinch of salt. Toss the fries in the oil until coated and then place the tray in the oven and roast for 30 minutes or until golden and crisp. Peel and grate the carrot. Trim and finely slice the spring onion and finely shred the white cabbage. Then add the grated carrot, sliced spring onion and white cabbage to a bowl with a pinch of salt. Squeeze the juice of the lime into the bowl and mix everything up. In a second bowl, combine the mayonnaise and chipotle powder, and watch out, this is very spicy, with a bit of salt. Set both aside. Meanwhile, combine the beef mince, garlic powder, soy sauce and salt with the panko breadcrumbs. With clean hands, knead the meat mixture until soft and fully combined. Shape the mixture into patties. Heat a drizzle of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add the patties and fry for 5 minutes on each side until browned and cooked through. Once browned, top with the grated cheddar cheese. Cover with a lid and fry for 2 minutes further or until the cheese has melted. Finally, load your burger buns with the limey slaw, the cheese patties and the chipotle mayo. Serve the sweet potato fries to the side along with any leftover mayo and the slaw. Bon appétit!
Are you ready to tuck in? Because I am. I'm starving and I have to say that this burger looks delicious. I'm not going to attempt eating it on camera, but I'll snap a fry. But before I do that, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. To find more recipes, click here, and otherwise we'll see you next week. Bon appétit!